Olaf and Sven's Great Ice Quest. On a crisp winter morning in Arendelle, Olaf, the cheerful snowman, and Sven, the loyal reindeer, were playing in the snow near the castle. As they tumbled and laughed, Kristoff arrived with an old, mysterious scroll. Mountain treasure found. It was a legendary ice map, said to lead to the crystal heart of the north, a magical gem that kept the northern lights glowing. Olaf's eyes sparkled. Ooh, an adventure. I love adventures, and I love sparkly things. Kristoff chuckled. But the journey is too dangerous for Anna and Elsa right now. Sven, buddy, do you want to go? Sven gave an excited snort, and before Kristoff could even finish, Olaf jumped onto Sven's back. Let's go find the crystal heart. The journey begins. With the map in hand, they raced through snowy valleys, past frozen lakes, and deep into the enchanted frostwood forest. The trees there shimmered like glass, and magical fireflies lit up the path. Wow, it's like a winter wonderland. Olaf cheered, spinning in the air as Sven trotted forward. But soon the path split into two. One side led up a steep, icy mountain, while the other disappeared into a dark, misty cave. What do you think, Sven? Left or right? Olaf asked. Sven pawed the ground and chose the mountain path. The icy climb. As they climbed, the wind howled louder, making it hard to see. Olaf held onto Sven's antlers as the reindeer carefully stepped over frozen rocks. Suddenly, a deep sea echoed beneath them. The bridge is breaking, Olaf yelped. With a mighty leap, Sven jumped just in time, landing on solid ground as the ice bridge crumbled behind them. That was so cool. Let's do it again. Wait, maybe not. Olaf giggled nervously. The frozen guardian. Finally, they reached the top, where a glowing ice cave awaited. Inside, the crystal heart sparkled like 1,000 stars. But as they stepped closer, a giant ice wolf appeared. It was the guardian of the crystal heart. Grrr, who dares disturb the heart of the north? The wolf's voice rumbled. Olaf, never one to be scared, waved happily. Hi, Mr. Wolf. I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs. The wolf blinked, confused. Sven stepped forward bravely, trying to explain their mission with a few grunts and snorts. The wolf's icy eyes softened. Only those with true hearts may take the crystal heart. Prove your kindness, and it shall be yours. Olaf thought for a moment, then smiled. He took off his carrot nose and offered it to the wolf. Here, you look hungry. Want a snack? The wolf was taken aback, then laughed. You have a heart as pure as ice. Crystal heart, belongs to you. With a flash of blue light, the gem floated into the air and gently landed in Olaf's hands. The return to Arendelle. Triumphant, Olaf and Sven raced back to Arendelle, where Anna, Elsa, and Kristoff were waiting. As soon as the crystal heart was placed atop the castle tower, the northern lights danced brighter than ever across the sky. Best adventure ever, Olaf cheered. And so, with laughter and friendship, Olaf and Sven proved that even the smallest hearts can do the greatest things